Alrighty guys, here we are. We have made the trek 2 hours away from home to a spot I've never been to do some snakehead fishing. I have no idea what to expect from this spot. I have no idea where the fish would be. I'm just gonna go for it, start throwing around and see if we can catch some fish. We're on these grass mats at the moment. I'm not sure what the rest of the place is like. A little more windy than I would have liked, but hopefully as the evening go on, maybe a little bit of luck on our side, might pull out a PB snakehead from here. Never know. Looks pretty juicy if you ask. Just whacked a bug. Looks pretty dang juicy if you ask me, but time will tell. Gonna be using my SLX DC on my outlawz carbon fiber rod, and I just put on new 40-pound Power Pro braid just before I came. Also got a reaper on here, a Snakehead Outlawz reaper, and I think if they're gonna be biting, this should be what they're gonna be biting on, but we will see what happens. Extremely hot out here, guys. It's still about 95 degrees and it's 7 o'clock. So definitely not too cold for these snakeheads. Love to find a couple fry balls or something like that. Oh, hello, Mr. Nutria. Fancy seeing you here. This does look pretty juicy, I gotta say. If there's gonna be snakeheads, they're gonna be here. Seven o'clock already. Oh my God, giant snakehead. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in the grass, dude. This is a giant. I gotta get him in. Please tell me it's still on. Is it still on? No, no, no. Is he still on? I'm stuck. I'm freaking stuck. Dude. Is it still on? It's still on. Guys, it's still on. Still on. Got a giant snakehead. It's stuck down there in the grass though. Holy crap. He's still, this is a monster. Come on. What is it stuck on? Oh, monster. I think he's off now. He's got to be off. I'm stuck. Holy crap. I can't get it. It's stuck. He's stuck down there on something. Oh, I'm losing my mind. What is he stuck on? He's got to be off. He's got to be off. Right? He's got to be. Dude, I think it's still on. Holy crap. What do I do? What do I do? Dude, it's still on. It's still on. It's a giant. It's still on, but he's wrapped around a stump. He's still on there. Come on. Get off. He's off. He's off. He's off. Is he here? Is he here? Yes, guys, I still got him. Still freaking got him. Still freaking got him. Come here. Oh, come here, you. Come here. I got all kinds of... Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's a dragon. Holy crap! It's a dragon! Let's go! Yes! Guys. I'm at a loss of words. Guys, this is a beast. Look at that thing. Look at the freaking fatness on that thing. Oh, I wish I had a ruler. He's got to be close to 30. Look at that fish. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and let him go, but that is a big fish. First one of the night. I'm hoping we get more, but look at that thing, guys. I mean, come on. That's gotta be a dragon, guys. He's gotta be 30. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. That is a monster. All right, buddy, you're off. Right back down through the weeds. Guys, I'm pumped. Woo! But I am pumped. I just looked at the camera. That was about less than 15 minutes into fishing. And what an awesome blow up. That thing came shooting out of the water. I was really worried we weren't gonna be able to get him in because he got stuck on a log. They always go straight for, you know, cover, logs, anything like that they can get away with. But that guy was hooked well and he stayed on. So that makes the whole trip worth it, guys. 2-hour drive. And I got another 2 hours home. I had to trudge through the marsh to get down here. But that's why you do it right there, guys.